Hello bestie, welcome to my channel. I have a salon and my dream is to satisfy our customers and make them beautiful and happy. I've fixed and upgraded my salon. What do you think? Today we welcome a special guest. It's a man who wants to go to a nightclub. Let's help him. First, clean his feet. Nice and well done. Then custom his beard. And his eyebrows too. Then clean his face by handling his pimples and blackhead first. Secondly, put on a facial cleanser and clay mask. He needs some makeup to make him outstanding. Eyebrows are so important to man. They help to make good face shaping. Choose a wig that suits him. Fashion outfits and a necklace. Take a picture, please. He's so handsome, right? Let me know by commenting below. Thanks for watching. Bye.